Hey Indian Peaks homeowners, I'm Brian McDonald. I'm your neighborhood real estate agent. I work for Coldwell Banker, residential brokerage out of Boulder, Colorado, and I live up on Brainerd Circle in Indian Peaks. So I wanted to provide you a quick update of the real estate market as it's developed through the first half of the year. I've got some statistics on northern Colorado and then some specific statistics on Indian Peaks. So for all types of property in the second quarter of this year versus the first quarter, of course, sales were up. We're coming into the spring at that point in time, and you'd of course expect a large increase. They were 64% higher in second quarter than first quarter for unit sales volume, and this is all types of properties. But sales volume, dollars, was up 75%. And so that's a positive indicator that we are getting appreciation on our homes and that buyers are moving into higher end homes and buying higher end homes. So that could mean something good for several of us who own the homes in Indian Peaks. And I see that trend continuing here through August, and I expect to have very positive news to report after the third quarter as well. In northern Colorado, for just single-family homes, so this would exclude townhomes and condominiums and so forth, for year-to-date, January through July, here this year, the number of listings has gone up by 12%. So that's good news, but even better news is that sales have gone up 17%. So that means that homes are actually selling, and the trend towards positive equity in homes is encouraging more people to list their homes and are able to sell them and then move on to wherever they need to go. So the average sales price has also gone up 8%. This is, again, northern Colorado for single-family homes. And that's good. Now, for Indian Peaks. Here in Indian Peaks, I break the data down into 4 different home categories: townhomes and 3 price levels in single-family homes. From January through July of this year, we had 52 townhome sales versus 48 last year, so that's gone up slightly. The price range for our townhomes are in the $200,000 to $270,000 range last year, but this year that's gone to $223,000 to $295,000, so that's appreciated about 10%, so that's great news. The number of townhomes that were sold went down though. So we sold 18 townhomes last year in that period. This year we've sold 13. That probably means that more buyers are shifting to higher priced homes, and there's more higher priced home buyers, and that's illustrated in the next single family home data. So I break the single family homes into 3 categories: the $300,000 to $500,000 homes. There's a group of $500,000 to $600,000 homes, and then the luxury homes at $600,000 and above. And in the $300,000 to $500,000 range, we sold 13 homes last year in that time period. This year we have sold 20, and that's a substantial increase, 54%. And I think that's very exciting. It does mean that higher end home buyers are moving into the market. It may still mean that as time goes by, even higher end buyers come for our next price category, which was $500,000 to $600,000 homes. That didn't change in the number of units sold. 10 sold last year in that time period, 9 sold this year. That's substantially the same. And in our luxury home price range, 600 and above, all the way over $1 million, last year, year to date, we'd sold 7, and this year 9. So that's a little better, but probably a small enough number not to be able to draw any conclusions just yet. We have a number of homes listed in the subdivision. Our turnover rate and listing rate is much lower, though, than other housing areas. We really do have a very stable population. So that's a little bit on our sales statistics so far. I look forward to giving you another update soon. If you have any questions on real estate or looking to list your home to sell it, I'd be happy to provide you more information, more data, a comparative analysis of where you stand with the price of your home versus the other homes in the neighborhood and the surrounding area. And please give me a ring at the number on the screen. I look forward to talking to you. Take care.